Hi everyone, so for today our book is going to be Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleep a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dink, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. He's lighting a fire. The coals pip-pap and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips where slurps and Hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. The bear's still sleeping. A badger scuttles by, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night. What a storm," twitters Wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. There's so many people in this den now, so many animals. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the hearty in his very own lair. You see them dancing. All the animals are dancing. It looks like they really are having a party. But the bear is sleeping. I wonder how the bear's going to feel about that. Hare strokes the fire. Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. The bear is awake. What do you think he's going to do when he sees all these animals in his bed, in his den? What do you think? The bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Oh no, he's probably confused. There's a lot of people in his house right now that he doesn't know. "You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I had none." Oh, and he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans. Oh man, and the bear blubbers on. So now the bear is crying. He's really sad that his friends came and had fun without him. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Mouse is trying to help Bear feel better now. That's very kind of Mouse. Bear gulps, Bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on.